Hey, what's up guys? Houston here. Look, if you have really bad credit and you're trying to find a car loan, where do you go? Okay, so this video is going to show you some of the top places that you may want to check for a really bad car loan. I'm talking about even if you have a 400 credit score. Here's some places that you can go to. Also, how does a car loan affect your credit? All right, so I'm going to talk about three ways that a car loan can affect your credit and how to remove those hard inquiries after you get the car loan. Okay, so I think those 3 points is definitely something you want to check out. Now, the first thing is, if you have bad credit, like 400 credit score, where do you go to get a car loan? Well, you can look at autocreditexpress.com. autocreditexpress.com. Now they loan money for cars up to $20,000, okay? But you do have to have at least $1,500 in income, monthly income. But with a 400 credit score, they're stating that they can help you get finance for a car up to $20,000. Now, the next one is Ally Finance. Now, here's the thing about it with Ally right now, because a lot more people are starting to default and are like 60 months on their car payments. This may be a challenge, but usually Ally Finance is probably one of the best subprime lenders you want to go to, because you can get a car loan anywhere from $5,000 up to $99,000, okay? And that's with a 520 credit score with Ally Finance, all right? Now, the other lender that you want to check out is myautoloans.com. Now, myautoloans.com, it's a platform, okay? And a lot of time they may just do a soft pull to see what you qualify for. And then when you actually accept the loan, then they'll do a hard pull. It depends on the lender. But they offer loans from $8,000 up to $100,000. You do have to have a credit score at least about a 575, okay? So those are your top three when you have bad credit. How does that car loan actually affect your credit is the question. When you first go for a car loan, many of you know more likely it's going to be a hard inquiry, okay? And that hard inquiry can cost you anywhere from 2 points up to 12 points per inquiry, all right? It just depends on the lender, but I see a lot of people, they start out with a 700 and they go to the wrong lender and they end up tanking their credit score down below 650. So you have to be very careful in terms of where you're actually going to get the loan. Now, another way is, and people may not even be aware of this, when you pay off a car loan, okay, and you don't have another secured or unsecured loan on your credit file, your credit score usually can go below about 40 points. That's right, about 40 points. So where some people say just a few months, nope, you can end up losing almost 40 points off of your car loan, all right, just from paying off a car loan. Now, is that permanent? No, it would dip like that for maybe about 30 to 60 days, unless you have another secured loan or unsecured loan, because you need a loan on the file to balance it out, all right? Now, one thing about it, it doesn't affect your utilization. Having a car loan does not affect your utilization, okay? But it does affect your debt to income ratio. So say that you're trying to go for a regular loan, like a personal loan, and they're looking at your debt to income ratio, is going to look at the car payment, other open revolving accounts as well. Okay, so they will look at it like that, but the utilization of it is not affected. Here's how you deal with multiple inquiries on your credit report from a car loan. Okay, you have to reach out to the fraud department of the credit bureaus, okay? And when you reach out to the fraud department of the credit bureaus, you have to let them know that you are not familiar with these companies that have put hard inquiries on your credit report. You do not have any documentation, nor did you agree to allow them to put these hard inquiries on your credit report. Now, here's the thing you have to understand when saying that to them. Experian Fraud Department, they may do it within 24 to 48 hours, okay? With TransUnion and Equifax, they may want you to send over proof of your identification, okay? So the thing about it is, when you send over your proof of identification and everything, make sure that you don't have a fraud block on your credit report. That's right. Sometimes when you have a fraudulent block on your credit report, it may delay them from removing those hard inquiries, okay? So I just wanted to let you all know that it's very important, and it could be helpful to some of you all, because I know many of us, when we're applying for a car loan and we have challenging credit, and we go to a lender and they start pulling our credit, sending us everywhere, and it pulls from 2 points up to 12 points on our credit score. All right, so that's what I did. Now, if you have any other questions about removing negative items off of your personal credit, or trying to get business credit funding, personal credit funding, click the link in the description. Schedule a one-on-one consultation. Thank you.